Color affects people in many different ways. Knowing the basics of color psychology comes handy in choosing paint colors to use in your own space. Starting off with warm colors. Study said that warm colors can significantly increase your heart rate, leading you to be more physically active and productive. Red raises the energy levels in a room. It stirs up excitement, conversation, and even your appetite. Perfect for dining area, kitchen, and accent to living rooms. Orange conveys playful energy. Keep the vibe fun and bright in your kids' playroom by painting it with bright orange palette. Yellow encourages optimism, cheerfulness, and vitality. So the next time you're in need of a mood boost, hang out in a yellow painted room. Cool colors have the opposite effect. It lowers your blood pressure and leaves you calm and relaxed. Blue is the color of relaxation, making it ideal for your bedroom or spaces where you spend time to recharge and relieve stress. Green is often associated with health and nature. It is a popular choice for offices and workspace because it is believed to be the color of wealth and prosperity. It is well suited in any room of the house as it transcends a sense of calmness. Purple invokes a feeling of royalty and creativity. It is often described as a regal color that adds depth to a space, perfect to be used as accent walls on bedrooms and living room. If you want more ideas on how to choose the perfect color for your own living space, like and subscribe to our pages, or visit our website at www.daviespaints.com